everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Tshidi Radebe, back on your screen once again, and in today's video we've got Afrosense in the house. Okay, we've got Afrosense in the house, and like I promised you guys, so that's what we're going to be reviewing today. So I've already kind of unpacked it because it was nothing special. It just came in a box, didn't have anything special, bubble wrap. But these are the 4 products that I got. And then what you should be expecting in today's video is obviously a review of these products, a review of the Afrosense site from well, I'm going to show you the problems that I experienced when I was trying to order, and then I'm going to be doing a benchmark out just so I can really put it to the full test. The other thing is that I have protein overload, so I'm sure you guys saw my other video. If you haven't, I'll link it up here. I obviously used a lot of protein, and somebody said that I should have moisturized after, but it's okay. So I'm hoping that these conditioners and leave-in conditioner and shampoo will be able to revive my hair. And then I didn't order the oils because how do I review oil? I can't show you instant results with an oil, unfortunately. Hence why with any brand I never take oils, only because I also know which oils work for my hair, and I can't give you instant results. How do you actually test out and review an oil overnight and be like, oh, this oil grew my hair? Freaking lying. Don't listen to influencers that review oils. I'm kidding before you'll come for me. But it's very hard to review an oil. Like, I don't know how I'm gonna do that, so I always never purchase oils because I have enough of my own, okay, and I know what works for my hair. So so that's what you should be expecting in today's video. So without any further ado, let us get right into today's video. Alright, so in the package you get this little thank you letter that says thank you so much for purchasing, and don't forget to kind of share your reviews and your thoughts on social media. What I would have liked though, as soon as my camera focuses, is that if they had said thank you Tshidi, only because my marketing self is coming out, and if you are a marketer then you know things such as customization is a real thing, and it kind of makes the consumer very special. It makes me feel special. It's like, oh my gosh, they know I ordered, even though for sure they have me in the database right now, but still I want one that says Tshidi. I like my name, that's why. Then I got the sulfate free shampoo with argan. In fact, I don't know why I'm trying to read you all these things, because they don't have different ranges. So everything is made from argan oil and rosemary oil, which are good oils for my hair. I don't mind them. So the other thing that I'm really happy about is the pumps. You guys know I've got small hands, so having to use a product that doesn't have a pump and your hands are wet and you've got soap in your eye, you've got this, you've got conditioner in your mouth, hey, a lot is happening. Having a pump, y'all don't understand how much I love products that come in pumps. Like, do you see these hands? They're very small. I can't handle chunky things. You saw I even struggled with the Tangle teaser. Now that I've been educated, the Tangle teaser that I reviewed about a week ago, and I couldn't hold it right. I couldn't because my hands are small, okay? I am so happy. Right now, Afrosense, you have 1 star from me. This is a 5-star review, okay? You have 1 star from me because you got this right. You got this right. And all of the products have that, except obviously the shea butter. The packaging is great. The only thing that I would say they should improve on is, I'm going to show you this picture over here. So this picture over here, it's going to focus in a second. So this picture over here is not high quality, and it looks very stretched out. So whoever prints Afrosense things, they must not stretch out these, because this does not look like quality, which is annoying, because this looks really nice. Everything looks nice except of these images here, and they have it on all. So maybe they could just get a better quality of that, then I will be super happy with. I don't have a problem with the packaging. It's actually quite nice and cute. And yeah, so far you've got 1.5 stars. All right, 1.5 stars. All right, now the shea butter. Smells nice. It is whipped. They didn't lie when they say that. It's definitely whipped. I was reading the ingredients list. They just say shea butter, coconut oil, and almond oil. Now, I don't know how I feel about the coconut oil in here, because I do not like coconut oil on my hair. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm going to update you guys on Wednesday. When this video comes out, I'm gonna tell you guys how my hair reacted after a few days, because the coconut oil is gonna leave my hair a bit crispy. So we will see. I have a problem with that because I feel like they should have just whipped raw shea butter. And the other thing is that you guys know I've showed you guys how different kinds of shea butters, and raw shea butter is actually yellow. So they didn't claim that this is raw shea butter, so I'm not going to be dragging them. So I'm assuming that it's not raw shea, it's probably processed shea butter. Then they mixed it up with coconut oil and almond oil, and coconut oil is white. Had this been raw shea butter, it would have been a cream white or like a beige or whatever, even though it was mixed with coconut, and coconut is normally white. So I'm gonna start doing that. All right, so next scene is the bathroom. Let's start off by wetting my hair, moving straight right into shampooing. Pump. That's actually my favorite part. And then it had a very interesting essential oil scent, rosemary oil obviously, and I think they also use the essential oil. If you are into that kind of scent, you will love it. My hair was very soft and clean. It had a very like peppermint, it felt like my scalp felt tingly, kind of like peppermint like, or menthol or mint. So it was that kind of sensation, and the conditioner I absolutely loved because I was able to detangle my hair, and I didn't really detangle because I don't detangle with conditioners on. Absolutely loved it because I am suffering from protein overload from my DIY homemade deep conditioner, like somebody predicted in the comment section. Yes, I am, and I really wish that Afrosense actually had a deep conditioner because I needed something that could moisturize my hair. I didn't follow up with a deep conditioner because I really want to put the products to the test. Then we're just going to let that sit for like 10 minutes, rinse it out, and then we're going to move to styling my hair. I'm just going to be doing a normal twist and not a bantu knot out. I got lazy. And this is the leave-in conditioner. It's very lightweight, watery. Also, I kind of spilled. Yeah, I didn't realize how watery it was gonna be. It's kind of like has a consistency of a hair milk. But now we're gonna move to the website. So this is how it looks like, and I want you to take note of those 3 golden circles that says alcohol-free, sulfate-free, and paraffin-free, because these 3 circles, they are there everywhere, and I think this is a mistake that Afrosense is not aware of as of yet. I struggled to place my order over my phone. I had to move to my laptop, even when you try to check out and when you have to bill and all that kind of stuff. It's there with you, which makes the shopping experience very uncomfortable, honestly. So please, Afrosense, fix that. Now, this is the following day, and voila, these are my twists. My hair is feeling great. My hair is feeling soft. My hair is defined. I am happy. All right. And if there's one thing I can add is that my hair is feeling soft but not moisturized. I don't think I was going to, get a ton of moisture from these because I didn't follow up with a deep conditioner. But this is how my hair is looking. Super nice, super shiny-ish, kind of medium shine, nothing too intense. And then I'm just going to attempt to style, fluff out, and do my best. And then I'm going to give you my final reviews. So let me give you my final verdict of the products, okay? So I wrote my notes so that I know exactly what I need to say. The first thing about this shampoo is that it left my hair super soft, and I think because they added rosemary oil specifically, and I think a few essential oils in there, if not rosemary essential oil, because it left my scalp very tingly and clean, and I think it's kind of a healthy balance between a clarifying shampoo and a moisturizing shampoo. So I absolutely recommend this product. Then the second thing is that it has a pump. Afrosense, I am so happy that you've decided to make your products with pumps, because when you have small hands, it's such a mess, and when it's like slippery and it's wet and all the kind of stuff, and you have to like squeeze products, it hurts. It actually hurts me over here when I have to squeeze out products. So I'm glad that you can pump this. So this was very easy to use. It was super friendly. And then moving to the shampoo conditioner, absolutely love the conditioner. The conditioner, I could have easily detangled my hair, but I never detangle with conditioners on. I always detangle when I pre-poo, so that once I get into washing my hair, everything goes as smoothly as possible and as quick as possible. So with the conditioner, I would absolutely recommend it, especially when you have low porosity hair. It's a lightweight 3-minute conditioner, and I also use like a shower cap thing just to see how it would react under heat, and it still was able to penetrate right through my strands and leave them very, very soft. Again, you can detangle with this on, so if you're somebody that washes your hair in the shower and you have to go to work and stuff, this is a great conditioner that you can use. It provides you with enough slip to be able to detangle, whether it's using fingers or a comb. I absolutely loved the conditioner. So yes, I recommend the conditioner, especially if you have low porosity hair. This is amazing, like super amazing. Then the other thing is the leave-in conditioner. Afrosense, where have you been my entire life? Like, where have you been my entire life? This leave-in conditioner, which is something very different, it reminds me a lot of the Anjaki's leave-in conditioner, which is very lightweight. And if I were to compare it to the Afro Botanics, I would say the Afro Botanics leave-in conditioner, it's too thick. Okay, when I use, however, I have been using it and it's been performing really great. However, I really think my low porosity hair is going to love this leave-in conditioner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my Afro Botanics to the side, all of the products to the side, and I'm going to just be using the Afrosense, specifically the leave-in conditioner, because I absolutely love it. Like, it's super lightweight, it's easy on your, and the cool thing about it, when it came in contact with my hair started to become soft all over again. I was like so shocked. Like, even now my hair is like really soft. Okay, then I'm going to move on to their shea butter. Now, the only sad thing I do not necessarily like about this shea butter is that it has coconut oil. I feel like they could have just provided us with whipped raw shea butter as is, because by itself it's super amazing for all skin. Not all skin, it's also great for your skin, but all hair types it's amazing for, specifically African hair. And when coming to shea butters that are whipped and they are mixed and all that kind of stuff, I'm gonna have to give you this review over social media in terms of this, because right now my hair is feeling great, but what's gonna happen, let's say in 8 hours or 72 hours, my hair could be very dry, and I could have said it's an amazing whipped shea butter, you should buy it. No. So I'm gonna do what I always do, which I'll give you guys my final verdict of the shea butter on Wednesday. Okay, on Wednesday when this video is uploaded, I'm gonna be telling you guys how my hair has been reacting, and I'm not gonna be moisturizing my hair from today's Monday, so I'm not gonna be moisturizing my hair from today till Wednesday to see what's good, what's popping with this. However, the consistency of it is still quite thick, but not as thick as raw shea butter. So far I love how all of the products defined my hair. You guys saw it with your own 2 eyes. I'm not gonna lie here. My hair is super defined. I think it's my hair, I don't know, when my hair gets good products, it flourishes, and I think this is what this product did. Now, there are a few things that I'm not happy about. First of all, they don't have a deep conditioner. I'm not entirely sure why. So Afrosense, when are you going to be extending your range? Because I absolutely love this, and continue with the rosemary and argan line range. It's amazing. I really love the scent. I love the fact that after you rinse it off, your scalp is still tingly, and it's somewhat like a added-on stimulation that your brain still, not your brain, your mind, oh Jesus, your scalp still gets. So I please provide us with a deep conditioner, because I really want a deep conditioner. And please also make sure that if you're going to be giving us a conditioner, either give us give us two, give us for high porosity and low porosity, because yo, don't create like conditioners that's going to be for everyone, because some of them are not going to work for everyone. Then the other thing is that the website, which is something that I already addressed, the website, it's not mobile friendly. So when you try to place an order, those 3 little tabs that I showed you guys, they are constantly there in every page. So Afrosense, please fix that. Then the other thing is the delivery date. So when you place your order, they don't tell you when you're going to receive your stuff, which for me was like, So now you can come in anytime. And now I must be crippled and I must be inside the house. I can't move around because I'm waiting for Afrosense delivery people to the courier company that they use to deliver. So what would be great is if you could add a delivery date to whenever we are placing an order. And then the other things that I love about this is that all the products have pumps, obviously, except this. And then it's affordable, it's black owned, it's female black owned, and it's South African. So if there's one thing I can say in today's video, I recommend all of these. So I recommend the shampoo, the leave-in conditioner, and the conditioner. So I can't recommend this as of yet because I don't know how my hair is going to react after like 48 hours or 72 hours. So with that being said, I hope I gave you guys a well-rounded review of Afrosense. If you want me to improve on anything, please let me know. If there's information that you would like for me to add on in my next reviews, let me know, because it's all about me improving, and it would be great if I could get feedback from you guys. The only thing that I do know that I want to do in the future is maybe take you guys through the ingredients list, but for now, because I want to do so much in one video, it's a bit too much, and I don't want to overwhelm you guys. But so far the product doesn't have any harmful agents in it, so you can use it. And I truly believe that, I don't know why, but I think this line is really specific not specific, it was designed for people with low porosity hair. I don't know, if you have high porosity hair, you've got some money to spare, please purchase it and tell me how your hair reacted, because I don't know, there was something about, and I'm actually very excited if they could release a deep conditioner, because I want to try it, only because the conditioner performed so well that I have high hopes for the deep conditioner. So guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this review. I did my best to try to give you as much information as possible, and show you different ways and all that kind of stuff. Don't worry too much about my hair. Y'all know I don't know how to style my hair when it's out like this. So guys, I'll see you guys in my next one, and bye for now.